Hey guys, James here with BlackOvis.com, and really quickly I wanted to touch on call care. So a lot of guys have diaphragms that they seem to burn through them really quickly. Say maybe they're only lasting them a little bit ways through the season. Maybe they're pulling them out from last year and the latex is totally toast. And there's a few things you can do to help preserve the life of your diaphragms. So first and foremost, don't leave these in direct sunlight or in like a hot car. I know a lot of guys like to practice in the car, which is great. That's a perfect spot to practice. You don't drive your kids and your wife crazy driving down the road. But like I was saying, guys, you don't want to leave these in a hot car. You don't want to leave them in direct sunlight. That's going to eat at the latex. It's going to wear out a lot faster. Couple other things. If you drink a lot of soda pop, any of the sugar, carbonation, don't be drinking soda while you're practicing with your diaphragms. That's going to eat at it. If a guy chews, if you chew tobacco or smoke, I hate to break it to you, but it's going to wear down that reed even faster. So if you got to dip in, don't be using your reed at the same time, or you're not going to get that life out of it. Few other things. You don't want to put your calls away wet. So I know they come in these nice little bags, which is perfect, for packaging and to send to you, but you don't want to put them wet back into this. The more that your saliva sits on that reed, the more it's going to wear down. So let the call dry out. If you need to get one, or I recommend getting one of these, Rocky Mountain Hunting Calls offers these call carrying cases. You can see it's vented. It's got some holes in here, and then they just pop open like you can see there. So even if your calls are wet, you can throw them in there, let it close up. I keep all my calls in my pack in one of these. Helps protect them first and foremost, but it also allows them to dry out, and I get the life that I want out of those calls. If you can keep the calls somewhere cool, that's even better. So guys I know will keep their calls in the fridge when they're not using them, which may sound silly, but it's just one more step you can take to try and preserve the life of those calls. So, at $8, $9 a piece, they're not totally disposable. You want to make sure that you can get the life out of them that you need. So those are just a few tips on call care, especially with these diaphragms. So if you have any more questions, let us know. You can check out all the Rocky Mountain Hunting Calls on our website at BlackOvis.com.